Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Stockton local and long-distance movers near me. Let 3 Movers handle your upcoming move. Our comprehensive list of moving services, affordable prices, modern equipment, and friendly staff are some of the things that set us apart from other moving companies in Stockton. Whether local, long-distance, or even international, we can count on our movers in Stockton to make your move stress-free. Because we understand that moving long distance is a major event in a person's life, we've made it our goal to give you a stress-free experience. When you work with us, you can expect quick delivery, no delays, and no cancellations. Our movers are always on time, always prepared, and eager to help you. Moreover, our prices are transparent, and we provide free estimates so that you make an educated decision about the type of service you need. Local moves can be just as stressful as long-distance ones. You still have to handle all the logistics of moving your furniture or equipment. Free yourself from all this burden by working with 3 Movers. With our affordable movers, you will get customized plans and transparent pricing. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Stockton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.